Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another advent calendar unboxing. This time I got the one from Essence. I purchased this at Ulta and it has 24 products in it. It costs $45. So it is definitely a bit less expensive than the NYX one that I unboxed last week. And they honestly gave absolutely no clue as to what was in this one. There were no photos, no hints about what could be inside. So I'm very excited because I love Essence. I can't wait to see what's in here, whether it is something worth buying or a total ripoff. And just in general, I think advent calendars are so much fun. I grew up Catholic, so we always had advent calendars every year, my brother and my sisters and I, and they were just the ones that come with the little chocolates, which honestly were not that good as far as chocolates go, but they were just so exciting for us because my parents didn't really let us have that many sweets growing up. So being able to open up those little doors every day and get a chocolate was definitely something special. And if I had had this when I was like a tween or a teenager, I would have been so super excited. I'm excited about it now. So there's that. So it comes in this big box and it has 3 different drawers with the little heart where you pull out the drawer. And then inside each drawer, you have these little perforated doors that you can open up. Each one is numbered and they're not in order. So you kind of have to skip around between the drawers if you're going to go from day 1 to 24 and count down to Christmas. So let's go ahead and get started. I actually happen to be holding the one with the number 1 in it. So let's see what is inside. All right, so this is starting off very exciting. We have a luminous blush. Does it say a shade? It doesn't have a shade name. It just says be merry and get that jingle glow with this rosy luminous blush. So this is a close-up of what it looks like. How pretty is this color? And it has the little stars embossed into it. And it definitely seems like a full-size blush. I feel like the packaging is very similar to other blushes that they have. All right, so that's the color right there. It is super gorgeous, and I love that it has a little bit of sheen, but it's not glittery or sparkly. It just gives a little hint of glow, so I cannot wait to use this. I believe this is exclusive to the advent calendar because I haven't seen it anywhere else. All right, box number 2 is also in the same drawer, so let's see what's in here. Oh, it looks like another possibly full-size product. This is their lip scrub with Caring Sweet Almond Oil. So here's what the tube looks like. This says that it has sweet almond oil and vitamin E in the formula. And it has kind of a fruity smell. I'll show you guys what the actual product looks like there. It's a lavender color and it just has the little scrubby bits in it. I actually prefer lip scrubs that are in a stick form instead of the ones in the pot because I feel like those are so messy and these are just so easy to kind of just swipe on and go. So I do really like this as well. I am excited. Day number 3, I can't get it out. There we go. This one is an eyeshadow base. It says eyeshadow base for an eye look that lasts longer than Christmas night. So here's what the packaging looks like, and then there's the product itself. It actually is a cream formula. So let me just put it on and see if it has coverage. No, it kind of just disappears like right into your skin. So it doesn't have coverage, but it has a nice feel to it. It feels like it's going to make a really nice base. It's very smoothing. So that's another good one. Let's take a look at box number 4. What are these? All right, let's see. Oh, it says nail jewelry stickers. Okay, so definitely not my favorite. I don't see myself using these. I mean, they are very Christmassy themed and all that. But this is a little bit more boring to me. I definitely would prefer getting makeup if I could. Nail stuff isn't my favorite in general, and stickers like this I probably would never wear. Okay, next up we have door number 5. Ooh, this looks like a full-sized lipstick. Let's see. Yeah, it's a lipstick. It says semi-matte lipstick for the sweetest Christmas kisses. So let me just swatch this one and we'll see what the color looks like. Ooh, this is really pretty. It actually looks like it'll go really nicely with that blush color. It's a really pretty rosy pink. All right, so 4 out of 5 products so far, thumbs up. This is really good. All right, so what's in box number 6? It's actually a really big one. Let's see what's in here. It's like a little pouch. Okay, so this says it is a mirror. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't carry mirrors in my purse. Usually if I'm going to be doing my makeup out somewhere, I'll either do it in the car, like I'll use the car mirrors, or if I'm someplace, I'll just use the restroom and then touch up my makeup in there. But anyway, this is actually a really decent sized mirror. It also comes with a gold pouch like this. So if you are someone who likes to keep a mirror in your purse to take along with you, it's actually a really nice mirror. I have to say that. It's just for me, not the most exciting thing because I know I'm never going to use that. All right, let's find box number 7. Okay, so this one is a big long one right here. I wonder if it's like a mascara or something. This is a brow spoolie, it says. Again, not the most exciting. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It has kind of a sparkly, glittery handle, and it's literally just a brow spoolie with no pencil on the other side. Normally when I do my brows, my brow pencils already have the spoolie on the end, so I don't know how likely I would be to use this unless I was using a product that didn't have a spoolie, but I feel like most of them do. Something that I would probably use this for is mascara, because a lot of times if I'm using a mascara that's really clumpy and the brush is just totally covered in product, I like to take a clean spoolie and just go through and comb out all the clumps. And I do have one kind of dedicated for that purpose, but I could always use another one. I should probably toss that other one because it's several years old now. All right, let's check out box number 8. Oh, this looks like nail polish. Let's see. It's hard to get these out of here. Yeah, so this says that it is a mini nail primer. So I guess like a base coat. So let's go to number 9. This calendar started off with a bang and then it's kind of not as exciting. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so actually it's coming back. It's redeeming itself just a little bit. We have a full-size mascara. This is the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. It says mascara for extreme volume, ultra black. And here's a look at the tube. And then here's just a quick look at the brush. It's not one of the silicone ones. It's like one of the traditional style mascara ones, which is really great. Okay, so number 10. What are you hiding? Let's see. Okay, so this is actually a duo pack of the little baby concealer sponges. These are actually really cute. I had one of these a while ago and I really, really liked it just because it gets up under your eyes so much easier than the larger Beauty Blender, but then I never ended up purchasing a new one. It's really just something that I wouldn't have thought of to purchase for myself. So I actually am not mad about this one. Okay, number 11. Let's see what's in here. Oh, let's see. This is different. This is a moisturizing hand mask with urea and vitamin E. Does Essence normally make skincare or like body care products? Was I missing that, or is this something completely different for them? I'm actually going to put a little bit on because my hands are very dry as usual. This has absolutely no scent to it whatsoever. I was kind of expecting like some sort of a, a holiday scent, but no. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's very nice. It's very silky. It's sinking in so fast. It doesn't feel greasy. So, all right. I'm not mad at that either. I will keep this in my purse for sure. All right. Number 12 is another long, skinny one. I'm going to guess that this is a brush, but we'll see. No, this is actually a full-size eyeliner. All right. So this is just in a black shade, but I could always use more eyeliner. And it is really, really creamy. So it drew on super easily. I'll show you guys. Yeah, so that's awesome. I love that they have so many full-size products in here. Moving on to 13. This is another really big door. Let's see. What is this? Oh my God. Face jewelry. Okay. Another thing I am definitely not going to use, but there it is. All right, 14, let's see. This looks like another brush. They're so hard to get out of here. Yeah, this one says it's an eyeshadow blender. I actually like the pouches these come in. They're really pretty. Yeah, this says it's the season for stunning eye looks, and this eyeshadow blender is best for creating smooth transitions to complete the Christmas makeup. I feel like it should be your Christmas makeup. I don't know why. That just sounds weird. The Christmas makeup. Okay. So anyway, here's what it looks like. It actually is a very, very soft brush. And again, it has the little sparkle handle, so it kind of goes with the others. So yeah, it feels really, really nice. By the way, in case you guys see like some weird color on my palm, I applied self tanner the other night and forgot to wash my hands afterwards. I put it on my face like I use self tanning drops. So now I have really orangey palms. That's kind of wearing away and it looks a little strange. So just wanted to put that out there in case you were wondering. All right, let's check out number 15. Looks like we have another nail polish. This says Mini Nude Nail Polish. It's actually a pretty color. I would definitely wear this. I don't know what their nail polish formula is like, but I will give it a shot. And number 16. Oh man. What do we have? This is a glittery nail file. So definitely not exciting for me. Of course, it's something that I will use for sure, but I don't know, it's just more fun, I feel like, to get actual makeup. So here's what it looks like up close. The glitter's on one side, and then the other side looks like that. Let's move on to number 17. Oh, it's another full-size product. And this is their Juicy Balm Shiny Lip Gloss. It's just the clear one, so that's a little bit of a bummer that it's not a color. But I feel like clear at least is something that every single person can use, so I'll just use it kind of to top other lip products. What's under door number 18? Let's see. What is this? Bracelets or... Oh no, it's a hair tie duo. All right, so not makeup, but these are actually very cute, and I tend to wear hair ties around my wrist anyway. So if I wanted to wear them around my wrist, it just kind of looks like I'm wearing a bracelet like that we made in middle school, which is actually, it's kind of cute. I don't mind this actually. All right, 19. By the shape of this one, it looks like it's another brush. Yep. Let's see. This one says eyeshadow shader for doing the Christmas makeup. This it says create a wonderful Christmas eye look with this eyeshadow shader. This brush is the absolute must-have for a precise application of pressed and loose eyeshadows. Used to spread the base evenly over the eyelid or to further apply eyeshadows in several layers. All right, and then there's what that looks like. It's just kind of like a standard packing eyeshadow brush for applying shadow to your lid. Number 20, what is in here? Oh, looks like another full-size lip product. Let's see. This is the Caring Lip Balm with sweet almond and coconut oil. Let's see. Ooh, it smells like coconut too. I love the smell of coconut. It's almost like coconut pineapple. It's like a pina colada. So it smells really, really good. And that's what it looks like. Let's see. I have to wipe it off now because I just got lipstick all over it, but this is a really nice lip balm. It's very hydrating and it's really smooth. So I like that. It's a good winter product to have. Okay, we're almost there, guys. 21. What is this thing? Let's see. Oh, it's a lash curler. All right, so this says, enjoy the beauty of the Christmas season with a breathtaking blink. The convenient eyelash curler creates an eye-catching look even before using your mascara. I didn't know you could use one after your mascara. I don't think that's a good idea, actually. All right, so I've actually never used this type of lash curler before. I've seen them, but I just use the traditional ones. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this one actually works. To be honest with you, I don't use them that often because I never see a difference when I curl my lashes from when I don't. I don't know why or if I'm doing something wrong. But either way, I will definitely try this out. Not the most exciting thing again. I just don't get as excited about tools, I feel like, as I do actual makeup. But that's okay. There was quite a bit of makeup in here. All right, so we're up to number 22. It looks like another nail polish. Let's see. Mini Fix and Gloss Top Coat. Okay, so we have the base coat, the top coat, and then the nude nail polish. All right, number 23. What the heck is this? This says, the first step toward a flawless Christmas look, clean brushes. Oh, this is a brush cleansing tool. It says easily removes makeup and dirt from used brushes. You can either stick it in the sink or hold it. Wet your brush, apply some soap, and then stroke the bristles on the tool until they're clean. That is actually interesting. I have a big one from Sigma that's like a big mat that sits on the sink. I was going to say the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink. But this is actually really cute because you can just hold it like this. It has this little suction cup right here, and you can either hold it, or they said you can stick it on your sink like that. I would probably just hold it and then take my brushes, put a little soap, and just swirl them around. So that's actually cute. It's something I was totally not expecting at all. All right, guys, last one. We have number 24, and 24 is usually something a little bit more special. With the NYX calendar last week, it wasn't. It was just like one of 100 butter glosses that they gave me. Ooh, it's a highlighter. So this looks just like that blush from the first one. So on day 1 and day 24, you're getting like these full-size cheek products, which is so pretty. Let's swatch this and see what it looks like. It's like a really pretty gold color. All right, so here's what it looks like. It's super pretty. I love this color, and it's very, very smooth and not glittery at all. Okay, so that's everything. Let's quickly go over what was in the box. We had 9 full-size makeup products, which I thought was actually really good. We had the highlighter and blush, the eyeshadow base, the full-size mascara and eyeliner, the Juicy Balm lip gloss, the Caring lip balm, the lip scrub, and then the lipstick. So unfortunately, no eyeshadows in this one like there were in the NYX, but I do think I will use all of these products. We also got 5 nail products in this box. We got the nail stickers, the base coat, top coat, nude nail polish, and the nail file. Then as far as tools, we got 3 brushes, we got the little mini sponges, and then the brush cleaner. And then 4 miscellaneous items, which were the hair ties that look like the little bracelets, the mirror, the hand cream, and the stick-on jewels for your face. So overall, this was a pretty good box. I have some mixed emotions about it because like when I think back to the NYX one, that one was super repetitive as far as the products go, but at the same time, it was all makeup. Whereas this one, I am getting a couple things that I really could care less about, like the mirror, these little jewels for your face, the nail stickers, the nail file. I mean, those are things that are just, to me, kind of worthless. Even the brushes, while they do feel soft, I'm not likely to reach for these that much. I mean, they seem like they're okay, but not the greatest. I would say for me, as far as the miscellaneous stuff goes, the things I'll probably use the most are the mini sponges. Whoa, I just dropped them. The mini sponges, the brush cleaning tool, the hand cream, definitely, and the hair ties. I think these I'll probably get the most use out of, and then the makeup. So I'm kind of a little bit torn by this calendar because I do think there were some more interesting products as far as the makeup goes. There's some things that I really wish were in the NYX calendar, like a mascara and an eyeliner and a blush or highlight. So I do like that about it. I just kind of wish it was all makeup. So do I think this calendar is really worth $45? I mean, we can break it down to about $1.88 per item. So for the makeup, that actually works out really good. For the other stuff, I feel like a lot of this is probably worth like 50 cents maybe. So I feel like it kind of evens out in the end. I mean, it's definitely not a bad calendar. I think if you have a tween or a teenager, they would really, really like this a lot. If you're a fan of Essence's makeup, I think you'll probably like this. Even though some of the products weren't the most exciting, there's really only like 3 things in this calendar that I absolutely won't use, and that's the 2 stickers and then the makeup mirror. Everything else is definitely usable for me. So anyway, guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this down in the comments below. Would you pay $45 for this calendar, or would you definitely skip it? I always love chatting with you guys in the comments and hearing your thoughts. So thank you all so much for joining me today and hanging out and watching this. I truly appreciate it so much. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, especially if you like drugstore makeup and dupes. I do a lot of those here on my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.